Okay, so for this sum, in the previous video, I have explained you the concept, how to solve the sum, how to use superposition principle, and you can get the answer, right? But there is a shortcut method of solving this sum, right? If this kind of question, if it is asked in NEET or JEE, then you can solve it within seconds. Okay. See, I'll read the question. Two electric charges having a magnitude of 8 microcoulomb and minus 2 microcoulomb are separated by 20 centimeter. Where should a third charge be placed so that resultant force acting on it is 0? So in the previous video, I have explained you where the position to place your third charge, right? So I will not repeat this. If you have not seen the video, then you can see the previous video. Okay, so there are two charges, 8 microcoulomb and minus 2 microcoulomb, right? They are separated by a distance of 20 centimeter. I have placed the third charge, positive Q, at a distance of x. Now, we need to find this distance where the resultant force acting on this charge is 0. So, basically, we have to calculate this x, right? X is a distance where the resultant force acting on this charge is 0. See, for this will be the shortcut formula. This will be definitely an important formula for all of you. Note down this formula. X is equals to R root n minus 1, right? Now, R means the distance between two charges, which is given as 20. So, R की जगह हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 20. Root n means smaller charge is how many times smaller than the bigger charge. That means in the given question, this is 8, this is 2, right? So 2 into what is equals to 8? 2 into 4. This charge is 4 times smaller than this charge, right? You can also take n as ratio of bigger charge by smaller charge, right? So here root n will be 2 fours are, right? So it is 4 minus 1. So that is 20 by 2 minus 1, 1. So 20 is your answer. See. आपका MCQ खत्म हो गया, आपका sum खत्म हो गया. Steps. I've reduced the steps. Using only this formula, you can directly get the answer. It will definitely save your time, right? Make very sure, don't make a mistake in calculating n, right? N is something, a smaller charge is how many times bigger charge, right? That has to be placed in terms in place of n. Like here 8 and 2, right? 8 and 2. So 2 into 4 is equals to 8, right? So n is equals to 4. If sometimes the question arises like, if this is if the given question is given like, if this is 8 and this is say minus 15 or anything, okay, minus 3, right? So now we cannot say directly that 3 into dash is 8, then use the same formula, but R 20 root n, so that should be 8 by 3 minus 1. That's it. Clear? Right? So basically n simply represents ratio of bigger charge by smaller charge. Okay. Now, how to find the resultant force if both the charges are positive, right? So again, for that also we are having a shortcut. Let's solve other question with another shortcut. See, now if the question is, now if we are taking two charges, one is 8 and another is plus 2. 8 microcoulomb and plus 2. So both the charges are positive. One is of 8 microcoulomb, another is of 2 microcoulomb. Same, the distance between them is 20. Okay. So first of all, the third charge should be placed anywhere, the line joining the two charges, but placed nearer to the charge whose magnitude is less. So we place the third charge over here. So this is x. So now you can write x is equals to R upon root n plus 1. See. When the charge was minus, we are placing R by root n minus 1. Means if both the charges are either positive or both the charges are negative, use this formula R by root n plus 1. right? If any one of the charge is positive, the other one is negative, then the formula will be r upon root n minus 1. So in this present sum, the answer will be 20 divided by root n. So 2 into dash is 8, 4 plus 1. So x is equals to 20 divided by 3. Okay.